Hi. Okay. I hope it worked this way. But anyway. Let me get started with the tutorial, I guess. Roll up them sleeves. I'm gonna start with this matte primer. Like I'm saying, it's not the putting it on part that I have a problem with. It's taking it off. Finish with that. I'm going in with the Revlon. I'm pretty sure I got this from Walgreens. I told you I'm cheap. I'm cheap. I'll get it when I get it. I'll get the good stuff when I get the good stuff. But until then, I'm getting by. Sir, the Conceal Perfect 2-in-1, I put it here already. It's there. I only need one pump. One pump. Now I'm going in with the LA Pro Conceal. LA Girl Pro Conceal. Squeeze. Ew. Plant that there. I like to turn myself into a ghost before I go colored. Go colored. Forget it. It says light ivory. Light ivory. These two is for mixing. These two, this one is for highlight. I mean, not highlighting, but this one is my base and this one's contour. It got bright. I'm gonna try to make this quick because I found out how long this whole process of making a video takes and I'm kind of irked. I got a friend that's trying to pop up and say hello to y'all. Don't acknowledge him. Okay, I finished with the whole this look. I'm going to add some color now. Let's mix these two bad boys together. Hello. Because the Milani is my summer color. And the Revlon is my winter color. But my skin is changing into I don't know what. So oh yeah, I'm just gonna be using my fingers today. You kind of saw me use the fingers in the last video. If you watched the last video, I used my fingers because, you know, I can, I guess, but I do have brushes. I do use my brushes. However, I got a little happy because I'm doing this little YouTube video now that I'm like, oh, I need to clean my brushes because, I mean, you should always clean your brushes. Clean your brushes, people. But still, I was like, oh, I need to clean my brushes. I need to do this, do that, get ready to do another tutorial, or, you know, whatever. And I started to wash my brushes like I saw my auntie do because I was at her house and she was washing her brushes with a little basin with some dish soap and water, and it was warm, and she kept it there for like an hour or so. But yeah, I forgot that I left mine in dish soap, so it was more than an hour. And then like all the wood split. Like, I'm not even joking, it looks so bad. If you're wondering what's going on here, I don't know. Use this thing. I don't know which way I should be using it. Should I use it this way or this way? This is like the puffed up part. I think you're supposed to use the puffed up part, right? Whatever. Anyway. Anywho. Anybody hear that joke about the raisin that went to the doctor? It wasn't feeling too great. I love that one. I've been telling that one to people for like a month. I'm gonna use my dark part, the darker one. I mixed it with the other just a little bit because I don't want it to be too dark. So I mix it and make my own little, you see that shade? See that? Oh, nice. Okay. Oh, I have a bridge. Okay, okay. Okay. Now, before we move on, oh yeah, let me back this in. I know I'm applying. Oh, I got things. Cosmetic sponges. Why didn't I think of that before, bro? I never think of stuff till the last minute. Now moving on. Here we got this air spun. That's an oldie, but a goodie. Don't knock it till you try it. Boom, boom, and then slap it on my eye. Oh, that's bright. Oh, that's what I need. I might start doing this. This might be my new thing, yo. Little bit of that. Little bit of this. Blackpink song. Are you out here? Do you get what I'm doing? I can't do this looking like this. No, I look too ridiculous. Okay, this is why I did not want to do a talking video. It's like I'm talking to myself. Mother! I'm talking to myself. I'm talking to you. But right now I'm talking to myself. I'm going in with the Zodiac palette. I don't know what y'all think about this. I love this palette. I love this palette. Mostly because it's the only palette that I have that is a name brand. My granny got it for me. Thanks, granny. Since my brushes did what they did. Hold on. Yeah, they're still wet. You see? Anyway, they're still wet. I'm gonna use my hands because I was using my hands this whole time. I mean, I kind of cheated with that little cute little heart thing. Oh my gosh, I love this thing. Let me stop talking to you. I'm just do it. Okay, so I'll start. Hey, I'm here. I'm right here. Thank you. I'll get this color right here. It's right under Aquarius. Like a beigey color. Hold on. Okay. Then that, I'm gonna take that from the crease all the way up to the brow bone. It's this orangey. I really like this color, y'all, so much. Anyway, I always use it. You can see it got a dent in it. It's more used than any other color on this palette, okay? So, I got a little bit of that. I'm gonna just pack it into the crease. The crease only. I think with this particular, like using your fingers, you don't have to blend as much. I don't think so. Anyway, what do I know, right? See, fingers washed. 4 fresh new applicators. Ooh, I'm gonna go a little bit darker. Okay, I'm gonna go in with Discolorized Channel under Scorpio and put it right in the crease on top of that orangey color. My fingers are fat, so it kind of goes a little bit down onto the lid. That's okay. That's okay. Going with this light color again, right under Aquarius, and just slap some on the lid like that. I'm going to take this. It's called Starry Eyed If You Focus. See, I didn't want to be the girl that do this. But now I see why y'all do this. Yes. Okay, so I've never done this before. So I'm just I'm gonna follow my and then go over. Hey, I'm gonna do the other one. Yeah. Okay. And go over. Okay, I'm gonna just do a little bit more. See, it's not even. That's what I was talking about. When you try to be perfect and then end up messing it up more. Because I know it's not going to turn out the same. Like, then there's this. Okay. I know. Okay. Moving on to the lips. We're gonna finish this. I'm gonna finish this up nice. Much better. Last time I overlined them. I wanted to do a red, then I wanted to do a nude. I'm just doing both. Okay. What is this? This is a aqua lip color from NK Makeup. That's the red look. Come on. Day to Night from Ofra in the color Cherry Mocha. Thanks, Granny. I like this one. This is the final look. How do you like it? Let me know in the comments. Yeah, that's it. Thank you. Peace out.